Hello and welcome to the second annual Singles Charity Auction for the Louisiana Humane Society. Tonight we spotlight 26 of the most eligible bachelors and bachelorettes in the city. So it's going to be a great night. Come on and join us and have fun enjoying the party.
Hi, I'm Jeff Cruer. I'm one of the bachelors in tonight's event, the Bow Wow Luau. It's been a pleasure working with Mary West. She really makes us all feel at ease, and she's got everything organized. We love working with her for such a good event, for such a good cause.